My name is Jessica from Emerald Eco Beauty, and I'm here today to show you how to make one of our clay masks and put it on your face. Today we have the Berry Clay Teenage Dreams, which is a pore perfecting mask, and it exfoliates, nourishes, and detoxifies your skin. And we're going to use about a tablespoon of clay to 1 teaspoon of water. So it's on personal preference, but this is the general guidance. And so now that I have my paste here where I like it, I can apply it to my skin. I have my dark towel here because I don't want to stain any of my nice bright white ones. And I have my little headgear to keep my hair away. And my hair today, you'll have to forgive, it has an oil treatment in it right now. And it is the Emerald Glow Amazonian oil that I have in it. I found my ends were kind of dry, and so this is a very pure exotic oil, and it's hydrated my hair so much. So now we're going to apply the mask, and I have a little setup here so I can see what I'm doing. So you have to excuse, I'm going to look down. So this is an eco-friendly company, and for the applicator you can just use the back of the spoon. It's a wooden spoon. Oh, it feels so nice and cold. Very refreshing. So you're going to apply it all over your face in a nice even layer. And you can see it's a little shiny right now, and then as it dries it'll become more matte, and that's how you'll know. So we put this on my face here. You can see it's starting to dry. You can see the patches. I can feel it tightening a little bit, but like I can still talk. So our face mask is all dry, and I have a nice little bucket of water here. So you can wash this off in the shower, you can wash it off in the sink, or you can wash it off in a copper bucket in your garden. The skin is completely washed off and exfoliated. Now we're going to take away our water source, and I'm ready to moisturize. It feels fresh and clean and super soft. So now that my skin has been detoxified and exfoliated, it's now ready to rebalance the oils, because what that clay does is it removes all the oils from your skin, no matter if it's a bad oil or a good oil. So what we're going to use is the Glow Amazonian oil. So this is very pure. There's no additives, preservatives, chemicals, dyes, scents. So there's no perfumes, no essential oils. It's pure, pure good stuff. Pure exotic oils. And because it's so pure, you only need about 2 drops to do your whole face. So what I'm going to do is I'll just rub it in, and I'm going to rebalance my skin now. It's going to be so soft and moisturized. And the thing about this oil is there's no oily residue, so it's just an absolutely incredible product. So now that you have the complete instructions on how to use your Berry Clay Teenage Dream or any of our wonderful clay masks.